Right. Third important factor that decides India's climate is distance from the sea. You know the meaning of distance, okay? How far we are from the sea also matters a lot to speak about the change of climate. Now, usually we see around the coastal area of our country, the temperature does not change much. It is less variable. I hope you already studied in class 8 what we mean by less variable climate, okay? Which means the climate, there is no difference. Little difference means there is no difference, okay? It's always between average temperature in summer and both winter. What is the reason? Now, why it is less variable? It's because we see that we always know water takes a long time to heat and also cool down very slowly, okay? But what happens, land very easily, it quickly gets heated up and then it cools down very quickly. That is the difference between water and land. Where is land? Okay, land, okay. So water takes a long time to heat up and then to cool down. Land, quickly it heats up and then it cools down quickly. So what happens in the coastal region, we have a sea breeze. So that sea breeze actually keeps this land, this temperature very constant, okay, both in summer and in the winter. But what happens, this sea breeze does not reach so long into the landlocked region. That is the reason why this one does not have any effect on land very far distant from the coast. So therefore this temperature, the difference between the summer and winter is higher in these places. So places that are away from the, so this is our country, okay? Now these are all coastal regions, okay? These are all coastal regions. Now around this region we have the cold sea breeze, okay? Now here the water is heated up and then the land is heated up. So the land heats up very fast and cools down very slow. Water takes time, okay? So in between, what happens, since the sea breeze is there, it makes this temperature very constant both in summer and in winter. You always have the same climate around the coastal areas, whereas here it doesn't happen because the sea breeze doesn't reach up to this point, okay, in the landlocked region. That is the reason why here the difference between summer and winter is always higher in the landlocked region, okay? So the distance from the sea also plays a vital role, okay? Right, now there is a video attached, you can see the video, and then we'll move on to the fourth important factor that affect the climate.
The fourth factor is distance from the sea. Now, if you're residing at coastal areas, you will notice there is hardly any change in the weather condition. I mean, you will be constantly facing the wind from the sea, so there isn't going to be much differences in the weather condition. But as you move away from the coastal areas towards central part of the landmass, you will start to witness extreme weather changes like very hot during summer and very cold during winters. This condition is known as continentality.